So what we are going to discuss today deals specifically with a right triangle. We know it's a right triangle because there is a 90-degree angle, okay? Now, because it's a right triangle, we have special names for the sides, okay? Basically, the two sides that make our 90-degree angle, those are called legs. So here in blue, these two sides right here, those are called legs. Okay. Then, here is our right angle, correct? Across from our right angle is the longest side. This is called the hypotenuse. Okay. Which is why this sticker is funny on my,
I can't read it.
it says hypotenuse, but it's a hippo. I know, it's funny, isn't it? I know. Uh-huh. It's hilarious. Thank you for laughing at my jokes, Temperance. Not Temperance, I meant Amari.
What? Okay, so
I was looking. I was looking that way. Her face was.
No, I see.
What's that supposed to mean?
Ooh.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a little piece of paper. And what I want you to do is I want you to label leg, leg, hypotenuse on each right triangle.
Got
You
it.
good?
Hippopotamus.
Okay. I need to make sure you know which one the hypotenuse is before we continue.
Oh. No, not right there. Right here.
Did I give you enough over there?
Boom. Done.
Okay. Leg, leg, hypotenuse on each right triangle. All right. Number one, right leg, leg, hypotenuse, or LLH.
Whoa. Calm down.
All right. Layden says these are the leg, leg, hypotenuse. Do you agree? Okay. Awesome. Kaylee, will you label number two?
Wait, but
Just L, L, and H is fine.
wait, is that right?
Yeah. Okay. The hypotenuse is across from the right angle. Excellent. Okay. Elaine, can you do number three right there? How about number three?
Oh, my bad.
It's okay. But you're right for that one. Where's the right angle?
Oh, shoot, my bad.
All right. Make sure that the hypotenuse is across from the right angle. Okay? All right, can you do leg, hypotenuse?
Me.
Can I choose a good color?
Whoa, just one of those.
Oh, okay.
No, because
What color should I do?
purple. Oh, swap it out. Yellow.
Shut up.
Orange. Red.
Every color.
All right, make sure. Thank you. Make sure the hypotenuse is across from the right angle. Okay. Now, I am going to give you. What? They're called legs and hypotenuse. Okay, maybe copy the notes down from Carlos. Okay, I am going to give you a piece of paper with a right triangle on it. It's going to look like this. Okay? And I'm going to give you a bag of Starbursts. No, you cannot eat these Starbursts because I need there to be a specific amount in the bag. But I promise you, you will get a Starburst. I just can't promise you if it will be today or tomorrow. Okay. Just for sharing purposes, just for the activity, I want you right here. Okay? I am going to give you and your elbow partner a triangle and a bag of Starbursts. And what I'd like you to do first is measure in Starbursts how long the leg, and hypotenuse are. Okay? In Starbursts, measure the leg, hypotenuse.
This is so tempting.
If you eat one, I will be sad.
Wait, so no punishment?
So like line them up on the side.
She only said she'd be sad.
It doesn't have a wrapper on it.
You might understand.
No! Amari.
Oh, you're taking your
Stressing me out.
Matthew ate one.
Lori, you need to stop.
Matthew
So
ate one.
aggressive.
Did you really? Are you serious?
It's in the bag. You always just open it.
Oh. Okay.
It was already open and you still eat it? At least he's being honest.
Don't eat it. Don't let him like you like that.
He didn't actually.
Just like this.
Is there one that's bare in there?
Yes.
Yeah, wait a minute.
I don't understand. Please help me understand.
All right. Are you lining the edges with Starbursts? Are you gonna do what I asked you to do? Put the Starbursts. Okay.
What's Starburst?
How many Starbursts does it take for the left leg? 3?
Yeah, 3. Sure.
Like that? There's like 3 Starbursts there?
Let me make sure.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, there is.
And then there's 4 on that.
And there's 4 here. And then how many Starbursts for the hypotenuse? Great. Okay, so do you have 3, 4, and 5 Starbursts? Okay. Now, question. Does 3 plus 4... Nope, that's not what I want. I don't want those there.
Why? But
I know, but that's bigger.
think about it.
Okay. Is 3 plus 4 equal to 5?
Yes.
No. Boy, what? What kind of math are
Okay.
you doing?
It is not. So maybe, what do you think we should do? I gave you lots of Starbursts.
Take Starburst away.
We're not going to eat them.
Could eat them.
Okay? We're not going to eat them. Okay? But maybe let's extend the Starburst. Maybe let's put another row on each. Will you tell me like what that looks like?
I don't think that would work. Oh, no. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. think that's work. I still have too much. Yeah, I think we can eat them.
Huh.
Inside?
I don't have a whole bag.
Oh, you're supposed to eat the wraps.
Okay. So how many are right here now? 6, 8.
10.
Okay, 6 plus 8. Ah, that's not good. Okay, well that didn't do anything. Okay, let's try another row.
Again. Are we adding another one?
You're adding another row.
Why do you only buy the...
I didn't. Look, they got the fave reds.
We got the
We have top right here.
What'd you say? Top 3 what?
out of this. Like out of the top 3 start.
What?
Top 3 start was this.
What about him? What Starburst I like?
Like what's the top 3?
Pink, red. Okay. So now we have 9, 12, and 15. But you know what? What happened here?
It's a square.
It's a square. Do you think you could make squares out of these other ones?
No, maybe, possibly.
That's what I want you to do next. Leave this one, but I want you to make these into squares, just like the 9.
But,
No. Like leave what, don't take anything away. So like how many rows do you need to add to this to be a square?
oh, one more.
So add one more row. How many rows do you need to add to the hypotenuse? You're going to need 2 more rows on the hypotenuse so that it's a square.
I don't know if we ever.
You should have exactly the right amount to do this. It's like I counted them.
Curls it. So
I'll send you one back. Must be right.
Well, hopefully my 6th period followed directions. And if they didn't,
what's before?
Oh, way more. Oh, wait. You know, I'm going to give you
Eat it
We
then.
have 2 extra.
really?
Yeah.
Eat them?
Yeah, we can eat them.
Okay, actually, they go here. Because I need a square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No.
Goes there.
I don't believe you. So that one in the bag was an extra that I ate.
You know, and I have a feeling 1, 2, 3, 4. The feeling I know whose bag I got from.
What happened? We need 3 more. Someone probably ate them. Dude, do you think it was 6th period? Yeah.
All right. Now,
Wait, what is happening?
can you tell me how many starbursts are right here?
9.
Okay, this is an important part. How many starbursts are right here?
16.
How many starbursts are right here? Hey, Matthew. What's 9 plus 16?
25.
You're telling me that 9 plus 16 is 25.
This does not look like 50.
Okay, now, hold on. The fun isn't over yet. 9. What's another way of writing 9? 3.
3 times.
Oh, like this is 3 squared because it's a 3 by 3 square.
Hey, that was the rest of the squares.
What is this?
16.
This is a 4 by 4 squared, so it's 4 squared.
5 by 5 squared. No way. This is
Okay. So what's happening here is that 3 squared plus 4 squared. Okay, this is really frustrating right now. I could be boring, and I could just tell you what the Pythagorean theorem was. But I thought that maybe it would help you if we did something to show why the rule is what it is. I have a 3 by 3 square, a 4 by 4 square, and a 5 by 5 square. And when I add these together, I get the number up here. If it's a right triangle, this is going to happen every time. And this is what we call the Pythagorean theorem. Okay? So what you are going to do, you are going to put all 50 starbursts back in the baggie.
We were missing a row.
An entire row.
Yeah. Yo, you are not. Missed
Almost like 5 Starbursts. That's craziness.
Yeah.
Somebody must have done area. Oh my bro.
Okay.
Bro.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to page 14. And we're going to write down
Page 15.
14. And we're going to write down the formula that we just created. Okay? And maybe you've heard this before. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. See, you know it.
Us. Was it like he said he hit a girl in the hallway like that. We were like that. Was it because of that? I don't know.
Bro, what did he do?
All right,
Bro,
then what's the
what
story,
happened,
man?
bro?
What are you, man?
Then why you guys like posting about it?
Okay, so I'm collecting the starburst and
Bro, what
triangles.
happened? That's my question.
You're writing this down. And
But,
then
like, what
I'm
did
going
he
to
do?
show you one way to use it.
Or what happened?
You should have
I'm
on the
unable
internet
to learn the other
about
way.
the apple. Like that. I got that one thing. Like that apple thing that makes a sound. That's so.
Bro, what happened?
I don't know. Mom? The kidding. For sure. For sure.
Okay. So next week, we'll do these problems right here. Okay?
Can you get like a review packet? Can you want cousins on fire?
Okay. If we have a right triangle, then side squared plus side squared equals hypotenuse squared. Okay? Remember, this C is the hypotenuse. It's the one across from the right angle. It's always the big... Between the green table and Matthew, I'm about to lose my marbles here. Don't pretend you haven't been talking to Temperance. The hypotenuse is the longest side. And if it's a right triangle, then we can take a squared plus b squared and it equals c squared, just like our starbursts. Okay? So what I want you to do, I want you to go over to page 15. Okay. Okay. And this is what we're going to do on page 15. I'll wait. Okay. So on number 15, which one is potentially our hypotenuse? 20, because thank you, it's the biggest one. So I'm just going to label this A, B, C. It's okay if A and B are switched around, but C has to be the biggest number. Okay? So if it's a right triangle, then A squared plus B squared will equal C squared. So our job today is just to decide if this is a triangle, is it a right triangle? Okay? So we get to practice our perfect squares. Okay? Carlos, what's 10 squared? 10 times 10. He can answer for himself. He's got it. Okay? Landon S., what's 15 squared? Okay. Yeah. And then Charmony, what's 20 squared? Who said that? Seriously, Carlos? Charmony's voice changed suddenly and came from a different part of the room. Okay, so help me out. What is 100 plus 225? And is 325 equal to 400? No. So, no, this is not a right triangle. Because if you write no with no work, that's not good enough. Okay? You have to show me that you tried the Pythagorean theorem and it didn't work. Okay?
Wait, I don't want to know. Stop.
Oh, cool. C squared. You better write that. Equal. Equals C squared. Okay. Apparently I'm scary. I did not know this about myself.
Yes. Barely.
This needs to be an equals. Okay. Now, in number 16, we have numbers that are bigger than what I want you to have memorized. So can you please change number 16 to be the number 6, 8, 10? Mm-hmm. Okay. Which one is the hypotenuse, maybe? 10. Okay. So it doesn't matter if A or B, B, A. Those can be either one. But C has to be the biggest one. So if we take A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Hold on, hold on. Not everybody's brain is as fast as yours. Okay. Okay. Landon B, what is 6 squared? 36. Okay. Sophia, what is 8 squared? 8 times 8. 64. Okay. And 10 squared, we already talked about that's 100, right? Okay. Temperance, could you help me out? If we take 36 plus 64.
Yes.
What is it?
100.
Oh, okay. So 100 equals 100. Hey, that works. Yes, it is a right triangle. Is that you making that noise? Okay. Some weird noises coming from I don't know where. All right. I would like you and your elbow partner to try 17 and 18, but notice how in number 18, I need you to change the numbers again. And make sure your elbow partner can get it. Oh, yeah, your elbow partner.
Bro, actually should
It's a 5, 12, 13.
Wait, this
It goes what?
No, and then yes.
No?
And then yes. Wait, you said equal 97.
I got kind of confused.
Oh, no, it's 97, my bad. It's 97. Okay.
So this is what I would do. 10 times 10 is 100. And so then when you do this, you get 97 equals 100. But that's not true. So then our answer is no. Okay? So worksheet that I'm going to give you.
How long?
So long. Come on. Go to your chart.
Hey.
Oh, it's right there.
Hey, Matthew. Is number 17 a right triangle? Okay, I'll come back to you for number 18 then. Okay. Tegan, is number 17 a right triangle? No, if we take a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we get 16 plus 81 equals 100. Carlos, what did you say 16 plus 81 was?
97.
Okay, does 97 equal 100? No. Not a right triangle. Okay. All right, Matthew, back to you. Is 18 a right triangle? Okay, so when you take 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared, you're telling me that works? Okay, what's 5 squared? 12 squared. And 13 squared. So when I add 25 and 144, you're telling me that's 169?
Yep.